Hello everyone, I am Dr. Deepa Jaishankar. I am a prosthodontist. I work as an associate professor in one of the dental schools in Bengaluru, and I also run a private practice called Tooth Firm in HSR Layout, Bengaluru. I have a fellowship in temporomandibular joint disorders, orofacial pain and sleep medicine from Smile USA. Jaw gets stuck during yawning. Yes, it is a very embarrassing situation for any patient wherein the temporomandibular joint gets dislodged from its socket and the patient has a locked open jaw. So when does it happen and why does it happen? As you can see my thumb, it is very straight and it does not flex backwards. But when you see Dr. Manasi's thumb, I am able to flex it backwards. That means to say she is an hyperflex or a hypermobility joint patient. That means to say all the joints in her body has a tendency to flex more than the others. So similarly is her temporomandibular joint. So when a patient comes with kind of a locked open jaw, that means to say whenever the patient yawns, the amount of flexion that is happening in the musculatures and the ligaments in the temporomandibular joint is essentially more. So the mandibular bone, that is the condyle of the mandible, tends to come out of its socket and gets locked in a certain position. So when this kind of a scenario happens, it's a non-surgical intervention. We try to manually get the locked open jaw into its position and we try to place it back into the condyle from where it has been displaced. But I suggest that it has to be done only by a trained dentist and do not try to attempt it yourself. Thank you.